I'm pretty excited about this video. I put together a pack which is made from the tarp that's used for my tent and bundle all my gear right inside of it, and even the rope to tie it up that I used to set up my tarp. And it made a comfortable pack that I even ran down the hill about a half mile from the camp where I used it. And I'm about to show you how to do it. Hey folks, thanks for joining me here on my YouTube channel, where I'm exploring life free from the shackles of society. Life is a lot more fun over on the wild side. So the demo consists of my 8x7 tarp that works as my tent, the rope that I use for my bipod and tent. I'm just going to use a few blankets instead of my entire gear, and this is the only part that doesn't pull double duty. Right now I'm just using my old suspender straps. The girl I got the video from had a really long scarf, and her plan is way better because one, it does double duty, and two, even these started to dig in when I had 35 pounds on. This is what I've got for now, and I like it because it's just something I had and it worked. So, Mr. DJ, let the rhythm hit him.
My brother's a real charmer. He can get his arms around her before he's even got her name. He can get them hugs and kisses from all the pretty misses. Do you remember when I tried to do the same? When you turned down everything I did, said I wasn't very smooth. Well, I realized right there and then that I didn't know what to do. Now I'm solemnly in love with you, which means that I can't do the things that I wouldn't make you act true. I know other guys be able, for instance, there's Clark Gable. As for me, I'm always gonna be solemnly in love with you. I've seen the moves of Elvis, that lady's man from Memphis. Clark Gable really made old Scarlet swoon. Humphrey Bogart had some magic way that a woman had put a smile on her face. She told me twice I still don't have his move. Whoa, whoa. So when he turned down everything I did, said I was very smooth, I realized right there and then that I didn't know what to do. And now I'm solemnly in love with you, which means that I can't do the things that I wouldn't make you act true. I know other guys be able, for instance, there's Clark Gable. As for me, I'm always gonna be solemnly in love with you. Oh. I wish I'd known how to dance or said a few things would have made you laugh. I apologize for not being a cooler dude, but since I have displayed it, I'm gonna go ahead and say it, that I'm solemnly in love with you, which means that I can't do the things that wouldn't make you act true. I know other guys be able, for instance, there's Clark Gable. As for me, I'm always gonna be solemnly in love with you. Oh, oh.
There we go. The pack method I'm using is the same pack for packing horses. So if you really want to get details on that, you can check out videos. What you do is a triangle, and then your pack goes against the triangle. If you put the gear a little closer to the top, that'll enable you to fold the bottom up. So you want the rope about 1/3 of the way up, and you want it as tight as possible. So you want the loop way over here, and I'll show you why. So that you can pull it nice and tight to get it to the center. Again, a third. Make sure it's nice and tight. You don't even have to tie it. Oh wait. It's nicer if you pull it a third over here against what you just did. And then you're going to snug it up also to the center. And now you tie it off. You could tie a jacket out here. That works really well. And then if you want to, just like that, you got a pack. Looks like I got off center. Oh well. So now, hey rooster. And there we go, we got a pack. Now there's going to be tons of ways that you can improve this. I did it as simple as possible. And like I said, I jogged down a hill for about half a mile, bumping around, and it held all my gear.
My brother's a real charmer. He can get his arms around her before he's even got her name. He can get them hugs and kisses from all the pretty misses. Do you remember when I tried to do the same?
Yeah, see, I could still do my ninja moves. I don't usually do how-tos. Why am I doing one here? I saw this video a long time ago. Then the other day, a friend of mine asked me if I knew of any that do packs like this. I told him I did, and I looked for it, and I couldn't find it. I couldn't find any. And And then a couple days later, I randomly got a reply to my comment on the video, so I was able to find the video. It's a great one. I'm going to put the link in the video description, so I encourage you to go check it out, because her demonstration probably shows some stuff that I didn't show, or it might just click with you better. Also, there's other information on the video, which is another reason I'm making this one. That video, it's 22 minutes long if I remember right, and it has a lot of information in it. The pack is just part of the video, so you can't really search and find that video so much. Hopefully they'll see this and add tags to it. So that's why I wanted to do one. I hope that this one's easy to be found. I hope more people do videos on these, because as far as I know, this is only the second one. And there's tons of ways to improve it and do it better than this, so it'd be great to see some more videos. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. If it works, it's right. If it works, it could probably always be improved on. Just get to it and get at it. And let me know in the comments your own experiences and thoughts on how you would do this, and all kinds of stuff like that. I like to hear it. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.